Ever wondering why your ancestors live longer than current generation? What made people live longer? Exercise along with diet and genetics is one of the top factors for living longer. People who have lived to 100 have typically lived very active lifestyles and ate healthy. As human ancestors ate more meat, that brought diseases to their life, and that is why their average age is decreased. And that is the only reason we urge you to have plant-based fitness. Meet Gary Whitaker, founder of the Plant-Based Fitness. He helps you to achieve a lifelong health and fitness transformation through tailored training, personalized nutrition, coaching, chef-curated meals, and a community of friendly, like-minded people. What you have to do is, you just have to download an application. I will show you step by step how you can download the app and book your slot right now. Okay, so now you have to click the Play Store if you are using the Android version, and if you are using the Apple version you need to go to the Apple Store. So I have the Android and I am going to enter the Play Store here. Once you open your Play Store, you have to type useiam. Once you search the useiam, you need to install this app. So once your app is installed, you need to click open. You need to click start. After that you need to press skip, and then you need to click to I am new, because you are not already registered, so you need to press I am new. And then you need to select an organization which is Plant-Based Fitness. You need to press it. Then you need to press confirm, and then you will write your name. For example, I am writing my name here, and then I am choosing my email address, and then I will choose my password. Then I will press register. So this is how you can sign up on this application. Now press OK. From here you can submit a video and record your daily activities, and then you can get personalized training by the owner of the Plant-Based Fitness. And you can also post your location, and if you have any trouble finding anything, then you can check the instruction section here, and also you can call on this number and get your required information. So this is how you can do all this stuff.